Okay, this is our Tiger Time class for Thursday. The date today, remember, there's two things we're going to talk about today: time and date. The date today is Thursday, the 13th of January, 2022. That's the date. The day is Thursday. So we know day and date. Time is our word for today. The English word for today is time. Now, one thing you can ask is a question. What time is it? What time is it? And we're just going to make up a time. The time is 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Now we're talking about time. So time is different than date. Time is told by a watch. Everybody have a watch? See my watch? This tells me the time. But a calendar tells you the date. So the word for today is time. Time is told by a clock or a watch. A clock or a watch will tell you the time: second, minute, hour. Okay, this is told by a clock. The date, the calendar, tells you the days and the months. So when we talk about time, we're talking about a clock or a watch. But if we're talking about the date or the day or the month, it's on a calendar. Okay, the calendar tells you what's the day, the date is the number, and the month. So today is Thursday, the 13th of January. That's the calendar date. Okay, the clock tells you the time. Right now it's 8:35. So we're ready to start our class right now. Okay, let's talk about present, past, and future. Present is now. We know today is Thursday, right? Thursday, the 13th of January. Past was before then. That was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday's number was 12. Okay? Yesterday was the 12th. Today is the 13th. And tomorrow, the future, will be after now, or after Thursday. Friday will be the 14th of January. So we have 12, 13, and 14. Before, now, and after now. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and look at our days. Now let's look at number one here. What does that say? Number one says Sunday. In your notebook for number one, write the day, Sunday, in your notebook. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Are you finished?
Monday.
Wait, did you write? Jot. Sunday. Number one. Number two.
Number two.
Monday.
Monday.
M-O-N-D-A-Y. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. So number one is Sunday. Number two is Monday. What's number three? Number three.
Number three.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Number three. Write number three. Write down number three in your notebook. Make sure you write this down in your notebook.
Thursday.
Number three, Tuesday. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
T,
Four.
U, E,
U. E.
S,
S.
D-A-Y.
D.
Number 4. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
W,
W. E.
D, N,
N.
E, S, D-A-Y.
D.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
What's number 5?
Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday. 5, Thursday. T, H,
H.
U,
R. D.
R, S, D-A-Y.
เอ๊ะเดี๋ยวใครไม่ยอมปิดไมค์ที่ชื่อชมพู่จะหักคะแนนแล้วนะ ปิดไมค์ก่อนนะคะ เดี๋ยวโดนหักคะแนนนะ
Number
โอเค
6. Friday. Friday. So write down number 6 in your notebook. Friday. F, R, I, D, A, Y. Friday. And number 7. Saturday. Saturday. S, A, T, U, R, D, A, Y. Saturday. Number 1, Sunday. Number 2, Monday. Number 3, Tuesday. Number 4, Wednesday. Number 5, Thursday. Number 6, Friday. And number 7, Saturday. Okay, so now you have this written down in your notebook. You know the days of the week. That's found on a calendar. Remember, time, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. You use that for a watch. But for the date, you need a calendar. What day and what month? What are the months?
ผมนอน ผมง่วง ผมไม่ได้นอนไม่ได้หลับเลยต้องนอนแบบแม่ตั้งแต่ตี 2อ่ะกว่าจะได้นอนอ่ะ
ภูผาปิดไมค์ครับ
Number 1, the month is January. January. Now that's this month. This is January. So the month is number 1. J, A, N, U, A, R, Y. January. And month number 2 comes after January. What's the next month? Number 2 is February. February. And this is correct. All right. February. F, E, B, U, A, R, Y. February. The next month is after February. Number 3, March. March. M, A, R, C, H. March. Number 3, March. Number 1, January, February, March. What's after March? After March, number 4, April. April. A, P, R, I, L, April. Write number 4 in your notebook. With the days of the week, these are the months of the year. The months of the year. Number 4, April. What's number 5? May. Number 5, May. M-A-Y. Write this down in your notebook. M-A-Y. Good morning, Posh.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
Good.
Okay, number 6. June. June. J-U-N-E. June. Number 6. Number 1, January. Number 2, February. Number 3, March. Number 4, April. Number 5, May. What's number 6? Anybody know number 6? June. J-U-N-E. June. Number 7, July. July. J-U-L-Y. July. And after July is number 8. What's after July? August. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Don't forget, write these down in your notebook. Number 9, September. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. Remember, this is the calendar. This is your calendar. Tells you the day, the month, and the year. What month comes after September? Number 10, October. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. And after October, November. Number 11, November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. And the last month, number 12. Number 12 is December. Christmas. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Let's go back to number 1. January. Okay, everybody say this with me. January. February. February. March. March. April. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Right? Those are the months of the year. There's 12. How many days? There's 7. There's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay? Now I want you to remember these 2 things. Just these 2 things I want you to remember. Vocabulary, second, minute, hour. That's told to us by a clock. A clock tells us the time. A calendar tells us the days and the months. What's the day? Today is the 13th of January, and it's a Thursday. Okay, so that's the calendar. The clock tells me the time. And right now, the time for our class is over. I want you guys to practice your clock telling time and your calendar telling the date. The date. Okay? All right, guys. See you again next time. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a fun day.
Bye.